Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Yakisoba Pan, seasoned fried noodles sandwiched in Koppe Pan. This hearty sandwich is a teenager's favorite and one of the staple items at many bakeries in Japan. You can find our Koppe Pan video on YouTube and on our website. You can also use hot dog buns or some other types of soft rolls. Please check the ingredients and complete recipe on our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, make a vertical slit in the middle of each Koppe Pan. And slice cabbage thinly. And cut boiled egg. In a frying pan, heat oil at medium-high heat. Add the cabbage and noodles. And pour water. Cover and cook at low heat about 2 minutes. Uncover and loosen the noodles with chopsticks. Season with salt and pepper to taste. And add the yakisoba sauce. The sauce can be homemade following our recipe or store-bought. And stir fry for a couple of minutes. Place the yakisoba noodle in each Koppe Pan in the middle. Top with aonori, dried seaweed, and benishoga, pickled red ginger, and a slice of boiled egg. Noodles sandwiched in bread may sound strange, but we are sure you will like it once you try.